everyone, in this video, this is a video part 2. I'm going to open 4 Labubu boxes. I want to open that with my son, but all of a sudden my son doesn't want to be a part of my video, so I have to unbox these by myself without my son, which is pretty sad. But what can I do? These kids change their mind all the time. So I have these 3 boxes. The middle one is from Showcase. This is from Facebook Marketplace, and this is from AliExpress. And this package I also received from AliExpress without a box. So what's inside this one, I have no idea, but these 2, I know what's inside. So let's get started. Hi everyone. So first I would like to compare the AliExpress box with the real box. Honestly, this one I got it from AliExpress like maybe around like $48, and I compare, they are pretty much legit, guys. This is AliExpress and this is Showcase. Honestly, I cannot tell the difference. They're pretty legit. I was shocked when I was checking the box detail. Hard to say that, guys, that this is Labubu or this is Labubu. I feel like this is real. This is real. $48 I have spent so far. Let's open. So guys, I'm going to open AliExpress and I'm hoping I'm getting the Secret and sea salt, because these 2 I really wanted, especially this guy. And I also have another package from AliExpress which I'm also going to open. I'm not going to open these ones. Let's open these ones and then we'll compare with the real ones. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So excited. Making video without my son is really boring, but you know what? Let's trim this. So fast. A little bit difference. This has color difference. All the Labubu colors are different. And here, guys, this is Labubu. I don't think so. Oh my god. Let's open it. Let's rip this. Oh, I love this sound. My favorite sound. And I can feel it. Super soft. So excited. Let's do it. Shut up. This is the one I wanted. Guys, I'm so fortunate. Every single Labubu I opened, I did not get the dupe. No, I have not got the dupe. I got... My set is complete. Where is the sticker? I love you. Such a cool sticker. I love you. Let's open the AliExpress Labubu. I feel like it's a Labubu. I don't know. But this one is real. It's real. I will make another video of this one, but because of the package color, the package color difference, I feel like this is Labubu. But I cannot wait to open this. My god. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm not opening because I really want the secret one. So you guys see first. Is that secret? secret Labubu. This is my last one and my set is about to complete. Yay! Thank you for watching me. Love you guys.